Assalam-o-Alaikum dear students. I hope you are doing well. Due to busy schedule, I was unable to upload videos for you people, and from now on, I will be making videos on organic name reaction and their mechanisms. And this reaction mechanism lecture, we will be discussing about reaction, their mechanism, and example. So first we will start about aldol condensation reaction. What is aldol condensation? What is aldol condensation? In this reaction, or aldol condensation reaction, enolate reacted with aldehyde or ketone resulted in the formation of beta-hydroxy aldehyde and ketone, and in some cases they are dehydrated and resulted in the formation of unsaturated aldehyde and ketone. So what is the example of aldol condensation reaction? Here is the general example of aldol condensation reaction. And in this aldol condensation reaction, one of the reactant must contain alpha hydrogen atom, and it will react with aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. So if this R4 is hydrogen atom, so it will be aldehyde, or if R4 is alkyl group, so it will be ketone. In this reaction, base is used to abstract the alpha hydrogen atom. Why to abstract this alpha hydrogen atom? Because it is acidic due to the presence of electron withdrawing group. In this case, electron withdrawing group is carbonyl group. If we talk about R1, this R1 may be hydrogen atom or it is alkyl group. If this hydrogen atom is present, so it will be aldehyde, and if it is alkyl group, then it will be ketone. So it is possible in case of aldehyde and ketone, in some cases it will be ester group. So we generally discuss here that R1 and R2, it will be any type of group. So in the first step, base will abstract this acidic proton or alpha hydrogen atom. As a result, carbon negative charge will be appeared here due to this bonding electron shifted on the carbon atom. As a result, it will attack on this carbonylic carbon. And what will happen if it attack on this carbonylic carbon? So the bond will be break towards this oxygen atom. On detail we will discuss about this in the reaction mechanism. So it is R3 and this is R4. It is beta-hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. And in the next step, when water molecule is removed, so what we will get in this reaction? We will get in this reaction unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. So this is the general reaction for aldol condensation reaction. And if we talk about the mechanism for this reaction, so what will be the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction? In our case of aldol condensation reaction, this is R1, this is R2, alpha hydrogen atom is present here. In the presence of base, base will abstract this alpha hydrogen atom and the bond will be break towards carbon. So when base abstract proton at the alpha position, so negative charge will be at the alpha position. Negative charge will be on alpha position. This is carbonyl. Now in the next step, what will happen? This negative charge or carbonyl will attack on ketone or aldehyde, any type of carbonylic functionality. So it will attack on this carbonylic carbon. So the bond will be break toward this and it will abstract a proton. This is R2. negative charge, R3, R4. So in the reaction mechanism, in the reaction conditions, proton is already present, so it will gain proton and it will be converted into beta-hydroxy ketone. And in the next step, what will happen? In the next step, it will uh, either by heating it will lose the water molecule, or by adding some sort of proton or acid, providing acid condition, by uh, doing the acidic workup, water molecule will be removed in the form of this OH will be removed in the form of water. So in the next, so what will we will get? What will be the final product of this reaction? The final product of this reaction will be beta. This one is unsaturated. So unsaturated aldehyde or ketone, we will get unsaturated aldehyde and ketone. Unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. So this is the reaction mechanism for Aldol condensation reaction. So if we talk about the example for such type of a reaction, let's suppose here is carbonylic group. This one is, let's suppose that it is propanol, so two hydrogen, and we react it. This is other. This is CH3, CH3 and CH3. So if we talk about the first reactant, it contains alpha hydrogen atom, and in the second one there is no alpha hydrogen atom. So in the presence of base will abstract proton from the alpha position, and here carbonyl will be obtained, and this carbonyl will attack on this position. So as a result, what we will get? We will get OH aldehyde, and here it is 3-methyl group. It is also aldehyde. By providing acidic condition or heating, water molecule will be removed. Unsaturation. So here one proton, and here tertiary method, tertiary butyl group. So this is the final product for this type of reaction. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and if you have any type of question, you may ask in the comment section. I will give you the answer for each and every questions. Thank you very much for watching the videos. Allah Hafiz.